A couple sits together after a long day. The room is quiet, the mood feels flat, and both wonder silently, has the spark faded? But here's the twist most couples never expect. Intimacy doesn't fade on its own. It fades when playfulness disappears. And sometimes, rebuilding connection starts with something as simple as a game. I'm Dr. Ayurmoolam, and today we explore fun, healthy bedroom games that help couples reconnect. This matters because playful intimacy reduces stress, boosts bonding hormones, and improves emotional closeness far better than forced conversations. The signs appear slowly: less excitement, predictable routine. One partner feels distant, the other feels unsure. A doctor may notice stress, low energy, or relationship fatigue affecting overall health. These moments are signals that the relationship needs lightness, not pressure. The science behind play is fascinating. Games activate dopamine, the brain's pleasure signal. Laughter lowers cortisol and increases trust. Ayurveda says shared joy balances vata and warms emotional energy, making intimacy natural instead of forced. Diagnosis here is simple. If couples feel disconnected, bored, or anxious, it's time to refresh intimacy. Not medically, but emotionally. Now let's look at the four-part solution. Diet. Light meals before intimacy, nuts, fruits, and warm drinks help comfort the body. Avoid heavy food and alcohol that dulls energy. Exercise. Gentle stretching or a short walk together helps relax tension and sets a positive mood. Medicines or supplements. Only needed if stress, anxiety, or hormonal imbalance affects desire. Doctors may suggest mild support if required. Ayurveda sometimes recommends ashwagandha or shatavari for emotional balance under guidance. Lifestyle and playful tips. Question cards, where each partner answers fun, flirty prompts. Blindfold guessing game, using harmless objects to build trust. Role swap challenge, to break routine and spark creativity. Whisper dare, where each partner gives small, intimate, but non-explicit tasks. Do, keep it light, respect boundaries, laugh together. Don't, force participation, cross comfort limits, or compare your relationship to others. For long-term care, couples should include weekly playtime, regular communication, and moments of shared joy to strengthen closeness. If today's story inspired you to bring fun back into your relationship, like the video, share it, and subscribe to Dr. Ayurmoolam.